may say that one or two.
Okay. All right. So on.
Got enough for all the work.
Yeah.
What's on the right side? Yeah, that's right. We're going to have a sign on it. I'm getting a sign made on the south side. Getting a sign made, and we'll put fruit, kit bag storage, or something like that. And we're going to make it very obvious. We're going to do this early in the morning, and we'll be there to help everybody. Anyway, I'll be there. Well, no, we don't have a meeting off yet. They're still working on trying to get out of participants that have meetings. So we'll have to do whatever they need to do. We may not have to wait in the morning for them to sign in. We may get standing out of it by tomorrow morning. I'm not sure they're going to have IT set up to be able to have anybody sign in yet. So we may just have to go by phone call and Tuesday and preparing an announcement. Okay, the kit bag storage, the one and only kit bag storage is just on the right-hand side of the B terminal as you approach the former concession area where the Cheers bar used to be. It's a bookshop, and there will be a sign. They're going to sign it early in the morning that says AA Fruit Kit Bag Storage. And that is the site of the potential mini house.